Hello, my name is Thomas Wunder. I'm for 20 years in the lubricant business industry and I'm Sales Development Manager for the wind industry at Klüber in Munich. Today I would like to show you a new product development we have developed especially to solve an issue in the wind industry. Wind turbines can face issues with damaged main bearings. This you can see by increasing temperatures in the main bearing or increasing vibrations in the main bearing. This issue can result into a reduced turbine capacity, into a shutdown of the turbine or in very high maintenance costs. To solve this issue, Klüber has developed this highly additivated rescue grease, Klüber-Sint BEM 481501. This product is designed to extend the lifetime of your main bearing until you can do a planned maintenance. Before you use the rescue grease, we would recommend to flush the main bearing with our flushing grease Klüber-Sint BZ 68400. You then can use the rescue grease in a 50-50 mix with your currently used main bearing. The purpose of this rescue grease is to stabilize the condition of your main bearing.